Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can turn on hotel mode, hospitality mode on your Samsung TV. This is a 7 Series TV, 65 inch. So what we have to do is have the TV on and we've got to do mute 119 and then we're going to hit the enter button. That will put it into hospitality mode and then we need to toggle left and right to put it to on. So let's do that now. Mute 119, enter. And you will see it will come up on the top left hand side after a few seconds. There we go. To make it bigger, you can hit this button here. So if we hit that button, hopefully now you can see hospitality mode is off. There we go. So what we need to do is toggle it left or right to turn it on. So you can see every time we go left and right, it's going between on and off. So all you've got to do is toggle it until it's on and then hit the enter button. And basically to lock it in, we need to turn the TV off, and then when you turn it on next time, hospitality mode or hotel mode will be on. So I'm just going to leave it a good 10 or 15 seconds or so, then turn it on. It will take longer to boot up, and then I'll quickly go through it one more time to show you. Now it will say on instead of off. That means that it's definitely gone through okay. So turn it back on now. I'm just going to let it fully boot up, so I'm just going to wait about a minute or so. Right, so it's fully turned on now, so I'm going to go mute 119, enter. And you can see it's come up there. And if I make it big, you can clearly see that it says on. So that's it. That's how to turn hotel mode on your Samsung 7 Series TV. Thanks for watching.